Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Tony, the owner of Homeowner Repair. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the windshield wipers on your Kia Sportage. This one happens to be a 2018, but if you have around the same model year, it should also apply to your vehicle. But before we roll into this, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss on any of the great uploads that we have. And don't forget to ring the bell when you do. You'll get a notification of when we do upload. And if you'd like to buy some windshield wipers for your Kia, look in our Amazon store. There'll be a link to them in the description of this video. You can shoot right on over and check them out. Let's get rolling on this. So you typically want to do this in pairs, and what you're going to want to do is lift up the driver's side first. Work on this one, and then you can kind of go over and do the passenger side. So there will be like a little hook in here, and what it does is it hooks the wiper onto the wiper arm. There's a little tab right here. So you're going to want to do is press down the tab. You should easily be able to slide it right off. So you might have to wiggle it around a little bit and unhook it from the wiper arm hook. This is what it looks like. This little tab in here, the connector that connects to your wiper arm blade, will look like this. Sometimes when you get wiper arms, there's a few different ones in there. If for some reason you've lost yours, this is the one that looks like it. Kind of has a couple of ears that stick out like that, and there's like a little tab right here that you kind of put some push pressure on to release it. So these are fine. I don't have to replace these, but I kind of wanted to show you how to take them off. So to put it back on, that's all you need to do is put the hook part in your new wiper and then pull it up like that, and you should hear it click into place. Give it a little tug to make sure it's snapped in. It should be locked into place so it doesn't fall off if you have the wipers going. Then hold the wiper arm, gently put it back on the windshield, and you should be all set. And repeat on the other side. So that's all there really is to it. I hope you liked the video. Remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It'll help us out a ton. If you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. And don't forget to sub the channel, ring the bell. You get a notification every time we upload. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.